Good morning, guys. So I just got off work. It's 7 a.m. Hold on. So it's 7 a.m. I am gonna go home, take a shower. I have to go to this this statue revealing for my dad. I'll explain it a little more once I get in the car or something. But I'm not gonna be able to sleep. I gotta just go straight there. Ooh.
When I wake up, I can't even stay up. I slept through the day. I'm not getting younger, but when I'm older, I'll be so much stronger. I'll stay up for longer. Meet me at a spot.
Optimism, and that he was a champion, and in many ways he was a personification of those of us, our families that grew up in Fairfield East and West, and we've lived here for over 30 years. We raised our family here, and so
I'm in Aldi going shopping. I look in a mess, but this looks really good. Like, I feel like, I don't know if I want to try it. I've tasted this one. This is so freaking good, and they're cheap. $3.99. Sorry, I didn't really get to film very well in the daggone. Well, I say that a lot. Like, I've noticed I say in the daggone. It's kind of annoying. In the lighting. Okay, just bear with me. We'll talk quick. So, I didn't really get to film in Aldi because I saw someone, we started talking. And after I was done talking with them, I forgot that I was filming. So, I'm going to just do a quick little haul of what I got. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make tonight. It's Sunday, it's chill night. I'm trying to avoid going out to eat because one, I need to save money. And it's just healthier to eat at home because you can control what's going in your, your food. So yeah, let's first see.
Thing I got is, okay, first of all, I only spent $60 of everything I got. I got some good old spinach. I got some queso because I plan on making tacos sometime this week. I'm using this tonight. I'll show you guys what I'm making tonight. And no, it's not spaghetti. So I got some diced tomatoes. I love refried beans. I know people make this themselves, but I love buffalo chicken dip. I think it's a good little snack. Keto friendly. Yeah, it's good, and Aldi's has it. And it's just, I don't know, I like it. I got me some bell peppers. I'll be using this when I make tacos, and I'm using it tonight. Cheese, of course. So I got me some naan bread. This is what I'm using for tonight. If you kind of look at this picture, that's what I'm aiming to make. I love tacos without the
seasoning. I always get like less sodium because come on now, we need to watch our blood pressure, and tacos is not like all that good. I got a cucumber because I'm gonna make a smoothie. It's gonna be with pineapple and cucumber because I saw like this thing that says it detoxes the colon, and I think my colon needs detoxing, so I got a cucumber. Shrimp. There's just sometimes I want to keep stuff that's like easy to make, so I don't like run to McDonald's, and this is what it is. So I just grabbed some of those. Some mushrooms. I used to not like mushrooms. I think it's the sight of mushrooms. I don't really like the sight of mushrooms, but like when you cook them, you see that pizza, like that's what I'm achieving. When you cook mushrooms and you season them really good, they're good. And then for my tacos, I use ground turkey. It's so freaking good. You can't even like decipher. Well, you can. I'm just saying, like, beef is good, but the turkey is delicious. And then I just got a big package of chicken breast, nothing special. I'm gonna make that tonight because I'm meal prepping my meals, because once again, I need to stop eating out. This is why I can't lose weight, and this is why I can't save money. It's because McDonald's, Wendy's, restaurants have all my money. I basically pay their light bills because I eat out so much. So I'm meal prepping and I'm cooking tonight and I'm gonna chill.
I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced. Since no one else let me like you do. That's why I just spend my life with you. I wanna please you.